how to connect Wix to TikTok Shop. So, hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about how we will be able to add store products from our TikTok into our Wix Studio or connect our Wix together with our TikTok Shop over here. So, in Wix, we have our websites over here. Wix is a website builder, and you can create your very own stores in Wix. And let's say you want to get products that you have from TikTok Shop to be also sold inside of your Wix Studio or your Wix website. And in today's video, we will be focusing on how you will be able to connect your stores together. So first things first, find or locate the store that you want to connect to or you want to have a TikTok Shop connected to. It would be recommended if you have like a site, if you chose from the templates and you had the TikTok Shop or rather Wix Shop as an enabled option, like for example over here in our templates, if you went for the store or like a business over here like this one, store type of templates, it would be much easier to set up. But for us, let's go and try it out on one of our options over here. Let's say this one over here. Select site. This will allow us to view the dashboard of our Wix over here. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to look over here on the left side. You have different settings over here on the left side, different features. So what you're going to do is you're going to select specifically the apps over here. So on the first section or like the first part of our settings over here, we have the home, getting paid, all payments, portfolio, and apps. Go to the apps option and click on app market. In the app market, this is where we will be able to find all kinds of apps that would allow us to improve our experience with Wix. We could add all kinds of features together with Wix, allowing us to be able to integrate and connect different platforms. And of course, Wix and TikTok or TikTok itself is not an exception. So let's simply search in our searching app over here, like our search bar, Aftership. Aftership is a platform or application, as you can see, for TikTok Shop, which will allow us to sync and sell with TikTok Shop in minutes. So simply open this and we could read off the description. As you can see, we have an average of 4.6 rating, which is really great. And as you can see, the overview is that it has super fast bulk listing creation, one-click automatic inventory synchronization, automatic order information extraction, and show only what you want to sell. So if you have a lot of products in TikTok Shop, you could select which product you want to sell, specific products you want to sell, and you don't need to sell or like be able to import every product that you have. So that's a really important feature, like a cool feature. So right now, it is saying that we have to have Wix stores. This is why earlier I said in the templates area or like the template section of the video, it would be recommended if you have the store version or if your store or if your website is a store to avoid this extra step. But if your website is not a store, you could simply click on the recommended over here. It says Aftership for TikTok Shop requires you to install Wix Store. So simply click on go to Wix Store and click on add to site. So don't worry as well, it is absolutely for free. You don't need to pay anything about that. And over here, it's instructing us, head over to the editor to place Wix Store on your site. So click on the editor. Let's allow this pop up. There we go. And we're going to be adding our Wix Store into our website. So like an area, I guess, of our website. So let's give it some time to load. After this, we should be able to now install our Aftership and be able to start the connection with our TikTok Shop. So let's give it some time to load. It's still loading, so let's give it some time. While waiting for that, we could check out over here. As you can see, let's put it back. Let's like open the Aftership now over here. As you can see, now over here, let's click on add elements over here, and I think it's under store, and then click on add to site. I'm not sure where it would be added, but I think it's going to be added either way. So let's try and check or double check where it would prompt us to add it. I'm not sure where it's going to be added. Let's click on manage business. Let's try to look for where it is going to be added for us. So over here, this is our business. As you can see, so we have our product now available over here. So I think it recognized it as a store now. Let's double check if it's still here. There we go. It's already implemented, so we can now simply add like a section into our website dedicated for products. It's a bit laggy for me, I'm sorry guys, but anyway, I'm publishing it to save it. And let's go back here, let's refresh this. Hopefully it will now allow us to add it, since we have added our store into our Wix already. So let's wait for this one to load, and we should then be able to install our app, or like our Aftership app. There we go. Click on add to site. Now it will allow us to install. You could read all of this information, agree and add. Make sure to read your information. So over here, we're going to create an account in Aftership, and then we could continue with either Shopify. Let's go with my Shopify account, I guess. Click on install. So it's like a third-party app that would allow us to integrate. So we're installing it. And now over here, we should now be able to authorize, install this. I think we're going to be using Shopify as like an extra third-party platform with this. So give it some time. Now we're back in Aftership website. And then we should be able to log in or connect our TikTok shop into our Afterfeed platform over here, or application. Let's give it some time. It's taking a while, I guess. But anyway, it's also inside of our Shopify over here. So we could open this, I think. Let's see where it will lead us. So this one is loading. So over here, we have our home, product listing, category templates. Over here, this is our same website. So there we go. Now over here, we're simply going then to connect your TikTok shop, as you can see. So we can click on TikTok shop, click on outside the US, and select your specific store that you want to connect to. And it's now very simple. After that, just simply, the e-commerce store is already connected with our Wix, since it's connected through here. It's already established the connection themselves. So now you're just simply going to log in your TikTok shop, as you can see here. And after that, the syncing settings, and there we go. You will then be able to connect your Wix and TikTok shop together. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.